Patrick Bet-David, a financial commentator, says that the price of XRP could go up to $1,000 per token if it can get a piece of Swift's transaction traffic. Only 5% of Swift's business will cause token prices to skyrocket to $100, and Bet-David points out possible problems. Bet-David says that XRP has a chance to hit $1,000 after being near zero for a long time. The financial expert said that XRP will need to match Swift's transaction volume in order to reach the goal, but even a small amount will cause prices to rise. Swift is a global platform for handling payments that handles $5 trillion every day, or $1.24 quadrillion every year. Bet-David says that the price of XRP could hit $100 if the XRP ledger can handle 5 to 10% of Swift's daily volume. For the ledger to handle 10% of Swift transaction flow, the analyst says it will need to handle $125 million a year. The XRP ledger needs to record the same number of transactions as Swift in order for each token to be worth $1,000. At the moment, the XRP ledger only handles a fraction of the volume, but growing institutional usage sees it inch forward. Stablecoins on a ledger like Rust are tipped to lead the charge to grab a part of Swift's daily transaction volumes. There is rising enthusiasm that XRP can be the cornerstone of U.S. financial policy as it turns towards stablecoin adoption. Bet-David will get a boost when the SEC drops its case against it, which will allow bigger institutions to invest in the company. Analysts estimate that a $10 trillion market cap could push XRP's price to $100 per token, with full replacement potentially driving it to $1,000, said Bet-David. XRP price is trading at $2.20, climbing by an impressive 6% over a 24-hour time. The recovery follows a week marred by declining values and rising whale behavior in the ecosystem. Despite the small rally over the day, XRP has lost over 10% in the last 7 days, sparking worries that XRP has topped in this cycle. Despite the downturn, the network has a streak of positives going on for it as a silver lining for investors. XRP active addresses rose to 1.15 million in the middle of a steep market correction, signaling a market frenzy. In positive XRP news, Franklin Templeton has filed for an XRP ETF, accentuating a wave of positivity for the beleaguered network. In conservative way, market expert Dark Defender says XRP can hit $280 by 2027 if the 2017 bull run repeats itself. What is XRP? Founded in 2012, XRP is a digital asset created to drive innovation across the financial payment space. It is the native token on the XRP ledger XRPL, a distributed, open-source, permissionless blockchain maintained by a network of peer-to-peer servers known as unique nodes. XRP functions as a mechanism of exchange between two different currencies or networks and can be sent directly without the need for an intermediary. Think of it as being able to send cash directly to someone overseas without the need for a bank or a payment processor to handle the transaction. The peer-to-peer nature of XRP makes it a convenient tool for bridging two currencies in a matter of seconds, not days. This saves time and money and simplifies the process of international transactions. Banks in various countries have also adopted XRP for routine hawala transfers. Recommended reading: 6 types of altcoins and their uses. How has XRP performed in recent years? In the 2017 bull market, XRP reached an all-time high of $3.40. Since that time, several challenges, including wider market corrections and the Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC case brought against XRP, saw its price hit lows of around 15 cents in mid-2020 and 38 cents in July 2024. The months following the July 2024 low have seen XRP gain almost 600%. These gains are due to positive sentiment following President Donald Trump's re-election in November 2024, questions over the validity of the SEC's claims in its case against Ripple, more on that below, growing usage of the network, and hopes of XRP exchange-traded funds, ETF, being approved to begin trading in 2025. The recent developments signal that XRP could be entering an exciting new stage of growth as usage and the promise of regulatory certainty combine to drive upward momentum. On January 15, 2025, XRP hit a 7-year high of $3.40, driven by a surge in meme coin trading volume on the network, anticipation over President Trump's crypto-friendly administration, and the potential for clarity over the SEC's case against Ripple as the leadership transition takes place at the SEC. Are Ripple and XRP the same? When talking about XRP, one might often hear it used interchangeably with Ripple. However, the two are quite different. Ripple is a company that provides a blockchain-based digital payment network for its users. XRP is the crypto asset that facilitates payments on this network. XRPL is the software ledger where transactions with XRP are recorded. The company has undergone multiple rebrandings over time to reflect changes in ownership or direction of the project. In 2023, Ripple acquired crypto businesses Medico and then Fortress Trust to support our existing lines of business, specifically in terms of improving the customer experience. Continuing the takeover strategy in 2024, Ripple bought out Standard Custody, a custody provider designed to service institutions. Throughout the business's evolution, one thing that has remained consistent is the ticker symbol XRP for its native cryptocurrency. How does XRP and the XRP ledger work? The XRP ledger. The XRPL consensus model is built upon a core principle. A little trust goes a long way. Unlike Bitcoin's proof of work or Ethereum's proof of stake protocols, the XRP ledger doesn't use mining or staking to validate transactions. Rather, it allows trusted, permissioned servers to create consensus on the network. These servers, or unique nodes, maintain a unique node list, a list of nodes that the network deems trustworthy. If 80% of nodes deem a transaction to be valid, a unique node can then proceed with validating that transaction. In the past, the XRPL has experienced out-of-sync issues, leading to downtime across the network. When one node on this list is compromised, the effects can spill over to other nodes, further slowing down the network. However, reliability has improved in recent times. The native token. The total supply of XRP, 100 billion, was created and distributed to individuals and companies at the launch of XRPL. Unlike other consensus mechanisms, nodes do not earn rewards for maintaining the correct version of the ledger. There are some customers on Ripple's digital payment network, RippleNet, that prefer to send funds without a pre-funded account. Ripple makes this possible through their on-demand liquidity service. In this service, XRP, along with a pool of other digital assets, e.g. Bitcoin, Ether, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, is used to provide liquidity for these transactions. When parties have different preferred methods of sending or receiving money or use different currencies, RippleNet acts as an intermediary for their transaction. As both parties are using different currencies to transact, no physical money moves during the process. Rather, the transaction is conducted in XRP, which equals the value of the money being sent. The network also charges a small fee in XRP to complete the transaction, but it's minuscule when compared to other traditional international payment networks, such as SWIFT.